Hi, Miss Irene.
How are you?
I'm pretty good. Thank you for doing this for us. So, what do you think so far?
So far?
Yeah, what do you think about how we cleaning your wall, taking the dust off it, using the steam?
Excellent.
You were saying it's amazing. What's amazing about it? What is?
What is that after we had the mess in here, from the flood, from the construction, it is all full of dust. Everything was finest dust. And I noticed just a little part that you have done from this morning.
Yes.
It is so much different than it was when I walked in, before you walked in. And so pleased and so happy with your work.
Well, thank you
But
very
you
much.
also came recommended from my niece, so that's why I called you guys up and had you come into my house for me.
Thank you. We
And
appreciate
I really
that.
appreciate it.
We appreciate that. As Mike shows us how we steam clean, walls to take the dust off it.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Totally
It's
amazing.
thank
Totally
you.
amazing. What a job.
Thank you.
Yeah. It's going to be so far so good, and after this I can actually get my ball rolling and then just start moving in and finally moving in and having a life here in Marine Park.
Marine Park.
Yeah.
Yes. Beautiful
Yep.
Marine Park.
Yeah.
And you do have a beautiful home. I might say that.
Thank you very
beautiful.
much.
You're very, very beautiful home.
We had it long enough so I can move in long enough. Okay.
Yeah, so we are very happy to be doing this for you, and
And
thanks a
I'm very
lot
happy
for
you
giving
are.
us this.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very
Okay,
much.